What's up? We're in another video. Cat VR, you said watch it. Well, I am going into sewers.
Wait for me, I'm coming back.
Come on. So this is
I'm
the
sorry, anglerfish. I'm scared. I'm hiding.
No.
What?
Okay, I know where
I
you're
need
going.
some help. He's just mad at me.
Go over
Can somebody
here.
come here? Dude, you made me die.
I seriously need a flashlight. Hope I didn't lose this teammate from the red, white, green light.
And he's angry.
Kill myself.
Forget it, buddy.
Oh, it's mine.
That's
my bag.
No.
Boss, I need a bag.
Where are you?
I need that.
Repeat. Go.
Hey, put it in my backpack. Put that.
He's probably
those
cute.
bananas. Bro, give me back my
I'll
damn
give.
flashlight.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Here,
What is this?
have your big
I
flashlight.
got.
Wait, guys.
I got someone's flashlight. Wait, I bought this stuff for. God.
Wait, I'll take it back.
Dude, someone stole my grenade arm.
Put it on your back. Put it on your back.
I
Okay,
have
wait,
the bag.
I need to take stuff. Press the button above the drop
Paper
button.
roll right here.
Guys, we have to try making it cut.
Hey, bro, you know how you died? I got your stuff.
Hey guys, I'll share the light so you guys can see.
Green.
I'm just looking up, guys. I don't know
Yes,
what to
damn
grab.
it.
Assign my one.
Alright guys, we have to make it by One Punch
There's
Man.
one light right there. Somebody can have. You have that
I
light.
understand what I can. Wait, I'm scared to get it though. I do not want to die. I'm scared.
Hey, where are you?
Wait. Hey guys, do you mind
I'm right
taking
here.
some weight?
I'm at the zero gravity.
Can you take all my stuff out of my backpack?
How are we gonna make it past him? He's like right there.
Okay, I got enough money.
I don't know.
3 anger.
Somebody distracts him.
Got this.
Somebody distracts him. Dude, it's gonna be
Hey
me.
guys,
I had too
now
much
that I can
weight.
see
I'm
them,
sorry,
I'm
guys.
so much-
I just had too much weight.
He's
Oh,
backpack
you
right
have
there.
too much items. Oh, okay, that.
Is it hard to move?
How'd it go?
Use this as still.
Alright, guys, we have to get past him.
Alright. I'm scared. I'm scared.
It's gone.
Somebody has to distract this big boy.
I'm gonna give everybody in the stuff a free bag.
What happened? Die.
What the? I already did. I died.
No, die. Follow me.
I'm gonna get the. It's that much now.
That's me.
There's like fly over there, by the way. I'll find a flashlight there.
Guys, get up. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Too bad for you. Hey, what is everybody? Okay? Everybody,
Wait a mine.
have a little stuff. Stuff, so you have to come back.
I'm gonna go so fast. Speed running.
Anybody want to go to the forest?
I forgot the way when it started.
I'm not in the forest, but...
So I'm
Can
just
someone please... I want to sell my first loot.
random.
Can someone just please help me? Gravity. Please. Oh no.
Oh no, this is a wall.
If anybody can...
So it's
Here,
this
that
way.
a monster.
Oh yeah, there it is. There's the little
People!
place
People! There's
I
people!
need to go to.
Anglerfish.
I'm getting a bag.
Anglerfish, stop. I'm not too stuck now. You look like a goofy guy.
Oh, that bag.
Demand. Guys, if you want to go to the free New World. In the sewers anymore.
Hope I don't die.
I'm literally in zero gravity.
Just wait.
Oh, can you wait?
Anybody have a free flashlight?
I'm scared. I'm just
Because I know how to finish it off.
Yeah, wait,
I went the wrong step.
I'm not even
there's a
that
thing. There's a
Guys, that's 3,000 bombs
Stuck.
explode. I have 6 and B9.
Somebody has to go get
I'm
him.
scared. Okay, I'm
Why?
scared because I'm new to the game. No, wait. Oh, I'm new to the game. I'm new to the game. Wait, I'll keep it
Guys, I'm here.
I'll keep it distracted. Get it.
I can't. I'm holding two stuff.
I'm scared.
Just come.
Go.
We can't get anything. Don't get anything.
Come on, guys.
Don't get. Just come. Don't grab anything. Don't grab anything. Guys, I have 15,100. I have 14,000.
God. I hate this part. I fell like 20 times on this part.
I'm new.
Whew, I made it. Come on. You can make it.
Oh, I have your team moves in real life. I'm new. I'm scared.
Down there.
Do we just
Jump down there.
Wait up, bro. Wait, please. I'm coming.
Wait, down here. Come down here. It's safe. I don't know.
Yeah, it's safe on the day.
Not safe. Not safe down there. Not safe.
I have 14K.
Ah!
Let's go.
God. I need to buy one of those.
Please help, I'm stuck. Please down. Corbett, I'm stuck at the parkour. We're dead. Keep this for. Stay still. I think I will.
Halfway.
I will die. I think I might. Wait up, bro. Wait up. Okay,
I'm just gonna use this for something.
Did he die? Can you please help me?
I keep on dying in the sewers because it's so hard.
I need help, guys. I can't die because I have. Risk it. Wait. I see some. Flashlight.
No. Hello?
I can hear you.
Hello?
I am right next to the meat.
Right there, I hear it.
And I'm on the end. Someone turn it off! Give me it off! Turn it off! Dude, put it in.
Now give me it. Let me have it. Give some money. I gave you something. That's my flashlight.